Zayden's making pancake art. One looks like Patrick. He made a nice happy face over there.
But I ate it.
And we made a little flying saucer, but we ate that one already. Oh, wow. What's that one? That's that picnic basket?
Yeah.
Or a purse?
No. You know those...
Get the other one. Flip it.
You know those babies?
Those ones need to be flipped first. You know that?
You know like that. You know the...
Don't break it. Go nicely under the whole flat thing. No, you're going to break it like that. Go on the other side. Give it a little bit of a, what's it called? Here's the other one, guys. Still cooking.
This one?
Yeah, no, that one needs to be flipped too.
That's a Pokeball.
Is that a Pokeball?
Yeah, it's a Pokeball.
Wow. Well, have fun, son.
It's like a Pokeball.
Looking good. But this one needs, I think this one, didn't it need to be cooked on that side more?
I think this one needs to be cooked more. Yep.
Got the sauce.